Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code GFE. In this video, let's learn about the unary operator interface in Java. So, unary operator interface is a functional interface in Java that's a part of the java.util.function package. Okay, uh, it represents a function that takes a single argument of a specific type and produces a result of the same type. Okay, now friends, let's explore about the method apply, which we use in functional interface, sorry, in unary operator interface. Okay, so here this is the functional interface annotation in Java, used to indicate that the interface should be treated as a functional interface. Means this unary operator interface should be treated as a functional interface. Okay, so a functional interface is an interface uh, that has exactly one abstract method. Okay, so in the case of unary operator interface, it indeed has only one abstract method, which is apply. Unary operator interface has only one abstract method, which is the apply. Okay, the name of the method is apply. So let's move forward. So here the new unary operator interface is a functional interface that parameterized by type T. This is the type T. This means it can operate on and return values of any specific type. So this is the single abstract method which is declared in unary operator interface, where the apply method takes one argument of type T, the operand, and returns a result of the same type T. Okay, it represents a unary operation, meaning it transfers a value of type T into another value of the same type T. So we can think of it as a function that take one input and produces one output, where both the input and output have the same data type. Okay friends, so let's talk about this uh, after apply method. After the word apply, this is the method signature for the abstract method apply declared in the unary operator interface. Okay, so this part defines the method parameters. In this case, it specifies that the apply method takes a single parameter of type T. The T is a generic type. Okay, and it represents the type of the operand that you pass to the apply method. So here T before apply is the return type of the method. Okay, this T means it is the return type of the method. It indicates that the apply method returns a value of type T. Okay, and apply is the method name, and this capital T and small t within the parenthesis represents the method parameters, which specifies that the apply method takes a single parameter of type T and the parameter is named as small t. Okay, so friends, let's see the code example for unary operator interface. So friends, let's define one unary operator with name increment. Okay, so let's continue. Unary operator of type integer, generic type integer, name of the unary name of the operator is increment equal to, first of all let's import the interface unary operator. Okay, now take one variable with name x, here lambda operator, increment it by 1, store that result into int result equal to increment, call the method dot apply, and I am passing the integer t as, let's say 45. Okay friends, so let's write the code to get the output. Pass the message as incremented value plus result plus variable name result. Okay, so friends, what we have done here, we define a unary operator name with increment, which takes an integer and returns its value incremented by 1. Okay, we use the apply method of the increment unary operator to increment the integer value 45. Okay, then the result is printed to the console, which will be 45 plus 1, 46. So let's run our code. So friends, here is the output. Incremented value is 46. Okay friends, so friends, in this way we can use unary operator in Java when we need to transfer a value into another value of the same type, which simplifies the code and make it more efficient or expressive. So friends, this is all about a unary operator in Java. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Code GV. Please help to grow my channel. Please make my efforts worth. Please add value to my videos by subscribing to my channel. Keep coding, happy coding. Thank you once again.